Right, today for you I've got this Cuisinart ice cream maker wand, and I'm not going to do making ice cream today, but I'm going to give you a full unboxing so you know what to get when you get this product, and so we can have a look together at the quality of the build and how easy it is from right reading the instructions to put it together. I will probably do a separate video with me making some ice cream. I want to make some protein ice cream. Yeah, I'm looking forward to giving this a go. When I came to purchase this, I was and knowing about getting the other one. You know, there is another one, very famous ice cream maker, but I simply don't have the space for it. So yeah, I do not have the space to have the other one permanently out, or me getting it in and out of this packaging. Well, this one, I got the sense it was a bit more compact, and therefore it'd be a little bit easier for me to have it out. But with very good results, and obviously price difference as well. So it would make a really nice, thought it would make a really more economical and more space-saving option than getting the famous one. So let's have a look. It comes in this tray with a piece of cardboard on there. Get rid of that. You've got this very nice instruction telling you how to do everything, how to put it all together, what each button means, and also there's some recipes here as well if you want to pause and have a look. So I've been making protein ice cream. If you want to scan the QR code as well, you can scan that to maybe get some more recipes. I certainly will be. And look how lovely the way it's all packaged. Isn't that nice? So I'm guessing this is the main part of the wand. Oh, that's very solid. That is a solid unit. So on here, we've got different instructions about what you want to make. So you want, I guess, a soft serve, ice cream, slushy, milkshake. I'm sure it'll tell me in the instructions. I'm one of the people, I just really don't like reading the instructions. And obviously you must turn the dial to the desired setting and it will produce, your whatever way you want it to be through there. Okay, let's keep going. There's the plug. Okay, this looks like one of the little pots. If you've never seen home churned ice cream devices, what you would need to do is prepare your ice cream base the day before. Put it in here, let it freeze for 24 hours, and then once you're ready, you would churn it in the pot for your ice cream. Obviously, you can make many at a time. I believe you can buy extra pots as well if you are like me. I love ice cream. So I think this would be a really good, yeah, it feels like a nice, clean, sensible amount of ice cream. Because I do get a bit overboard sometimes. As soon as this is just a second one. And I think stack. Oh, it's got a different colour lid. Oh, that's good. So if, for example, you want to do chocolate, peanut, butter in one, and maybe just plain chocolate in the other, you know which one's which. You've got the lid. Yeah, so they are very cute. I may end up investing in some more spare ones so I can bulk make my ice cream for the week. It always feels like it's just a third one. Oh yes, it's the third one. Awesome. And this one's got a green lid. Excellent. So you know exactly which one's which. Fabulous stuff. And this is the other half of the machine. It does go into the mains, but it's not like a simple like hand churner. It is a serious little bit of gear. So that is the box emptied. Let's move it out of the way. Got a bit of space. So yeah, I'm guessing. So there we go. I'm guessing that goes in there in some fashion. That's the front, so I'm guessing it's that way. I think it is. Well, with the instructions, I promise. I'm just being stubborn. So yeah, and then once your ice cream is all frozen, 24 hours, you pop the lid off, your delicious creation on the inside, and I believe you would put the whole unit on top. Give it a mix to whatever it is you want, whichever option you want there, and you will get however it is you want it. Yeah, they look like very nice, strong blades. Wonderful. Well, I'm very excited to give this a go. The build quality feels really nice. And as you can see, it's quite small. You could put this in your drawer. It's not as big as the other machine, which is, for me, I've got a very small kitchen. It's very important. So yeah, that's way more convenient than getting the big machine. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a go. I'm going to read the instructions, give it a play, and I'll probably do a separate video on my Amazon storefront or on this listing with a couple of recipes as well when I get around to doing those. But yeah, overall the build quality feels really nice and solid. Yeah, I'm really excited to give this a go.